from the city of Denton. This is a DTV Newsbreak.
Hello, I'm Amy Cunningham, a Marketing and Outreach Coordinator for the City of Denton. My job each day is to help citizens connect with the city by managing our social media in the Engage Denton app. And here's your DTV Newsbreak. The Denton Fire Department currently has 2 stations under construction. Fire Station 3, which is next to the current station at McCormick and Underwood, will be finished in the summer. The brand new Fire Station 8 at Brinker Road and Colorado Boulevard is in its early stages and will be finished by the end of this year. Mobile Wi-Fi hotspots are now available for checkout at all 3 library branches. Anyone with a full-service library card is able to check one out and have an internet connection wherever they go.
So this is a wireless hotspot. What you'll do is you'll press the on button for a couple seconds and all these lights will come on. This top one is your signal. If it's green, you're good. If it's yellow, you're okay. If it's red, you should probably move around the house a little bit. Sometimes it'll pop to red for a second and then come back. The next one is the Wi-Fi. That means that it is broadcasting Wi-Fi. The last one is the battery. If it's green, you're good. If it's below green, you probably should charge soon. This last one is data. If you are connected to it and actively using it, that'll blink a bunch. Whenever you get this turned on like this, you can flip it over. And this top thing is what the network will look like on your device. And this bottom one, that'll be what the password is. We've got 30 hotspots, 10 per branch, and they're available to the public. You can use them anywhere where you could use a cell phone, basically. They're on the Sprint network. They allow you to have 4G wireless internet.
This past Sunday was daylight savings. Along with springing forward, please use this twice-a-year occurrence as a reminder to change out the batteries in your smoke alarms. The City of Denton is hosting a community workshop as part of the current Economic Development Strategic Planning process on Wednesday, March 18th at 6 in the Denton Civic Center. Input received during the workshop from the public will be used to develop strategies and recommendations for the plan, which will be completed later this year. That does it for this time. I'm Amy Cunningham. Thanks for watching. You can catch more city videos at youtube.com, and remember to follow us on Twitter and Facebook.